Nagkalabuan kami ni Tami. Nakahanap si Tami ng ibang Pinay. So yun, ipatulfo daw nila ako. So sabi ko, sige, hintayin ko yung patulfo-tulfo ninyo ha.
Rosa linda, ay amor, amor.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everything. Good morning. Kanina pa ako gising. And nanonood lang kami ng news as usual. Fox News, Fox. Okay? Go to Fox News. You can have a real news. And also, mag-ano lang ako dito, guys. Magkakain. Anyway, so yun siya. And, ano ba yung sinasabi ko sa vlog kahapon na sasabihin ko today? Kailangan kong tingnan kasi nakalimutan ko na, guys. Alam nyo, guys, ito yung problema ko talaga, guys. Makakalimutin na talaga ako. Si Tami andun sa labas. Natawa ako kay Tami dahil sabi pa niya, nanigarilyo siya sa labas. Sabi pa niya, oh, yung sigarilyo tumalon sa kape. Yung sigarilyo tumalon sa kape. Natawa ako. Kain lang tayo. Good morning. So, may nag-imbita sa akin ngayong araw. Birthday niya. Hindi ko alam kung pupunta ako or what. Kasi si Tami hindi pa alam kung anong plano. Ang ano kasi, ngayon doon sa isang bahay, doon si Tami nakarehistro, diba? And then, ngayon yung araw na start ng voting, Saturday, sa New Rochelle. So, start voting. Sabi ko, kailangan mong mag-start ng maaga kasi for sure niya. So, hindi namin alam kung pupunta kami or may gagawin kami. Hindi namin alam. May sinabi ako kahapon nasabihin ko ngayon. Kalimutan ko na, guys. Iwan ko talaga. Ito yung problema ko, guys. Do you want something? Okay. Hindi kumakain si Misty ng breakfast niya. Anyway, guys. Kain po tayo.
A long time, and now it's not only the deal was signed, but it's peace. I want to come in, and we'll have many more than that very soon.
Yeah, so that is from the White House yesterday. He's talking about
shipping and free returns, all backed by our 90-day money-back guarantee.
on November 3rd. You can feel the enthusiasm on the ground in Iowa.
Traditionally, again, that's favored the Democrats. How do you read these record turnouts? Almost 54 million
Talking to me
people
again?
already voted.
Well,
You know what?
We also see a number
Yeah,
of
I know it.
organizations across
Eh.
the country that are looking at absentee ballots.
Ooh, camera,
And
I do.
this is a different year. We have
Han,
to remember we are still in
do you
a
love your
pandemic.
wifey?
And so those that may be vulnerable to coronavirus.
Except
they
what?
are,
Both of us know you're
requesting
sick.
those absentee
Not
ballots.
just me,
But
you
again,
know
it
it
just
too.
speaks to the
Oh my God, Han.
enthusiasm this
Oh
year
my
is
God.
going to be a hotly
Really? That word again?
contested
Discussion?
Then if you don't do that for me, what we're talking about, you should give me a puppy.
are counted.
Give you a cat? What?
A puppy.
Copy?
Puppy.
Puppy? You got two puppies.
I need a puppy.
You got two.
I need a small puppy that never grows.
That never grows. Oh, so you want a miniature?
Yeah.
They have miniatures.
Like a very small
Like
one.
collies who are like really big,
Yeah.
and they get miniature collies who never get any bigger than this.
Because puppy is fun, guys. They are the cutest thing. I mean, my dogs are cute. Roxy's cute. Misty's cute. But if you have puppies, puppy, cholo.
With those little fuzzy feet. Santa Claus is sticking meat.
Han! Ang daming poem naman ito eh. Hanap si Tami ng bagong cellphone. Yung bagong labas sa Apple ngayon. iPhone. Hopefully. So, yun yung lalakarin namin. Hopefully, makahanap kami ng sa carrier ng cellphone namin. Doon kami makahanap. Kasi ang hirap, guys. Yung cellphone niya is finally, maka-ano na siya ng bago talaga. Yung hindi yung pinaka-old na nagbawag na. Hanap siya ng bagong cellphone kasi yung cellphone niya is sirang-sira na dong. Sirang-sira. Siya yung pa-drive-on ko eh. Kasi kapagod mag-drive eh. Gusto ko makarelax naman ako, siya lang mag-drive. Kailangan ko pala ding magdala ng Kalimutan ko, guys. Gustong-gusto ko ito talagang linisin itong sasakyan ko pero ay nako talaga. Pero hindi ko nagagawa, iwan ko na lang. Gusto kong i-wipe, sa loob, ganun. Kasi maginaw-ginaw din sa labas. Nagmamakaawa ako kay Tami. Sabi ko, Han, ilagay ko na yung Christmas tree. Sabi pa niya, no. Hello guys. So, nagpunta kami sa T-Mobile guys. Ang ano is
T-Mobile one.
yeah, T-Mobile, Sprint, the same thing. We're Sprint. And yung ano guys is they don't have they have this new release iPhone 12, but Tommy is looking for the Pro. So they don't have one. They only have like iPhone 12. So they have iPhone 12 mini, and it's smaller.
Yeah, but that's not out yet either.
Huh?
That's not out yet either.
So the Pro one is bigger. I know
No,
the Max.
the Pro Max.
I bigger, but did you see the Pro 12 and the the 12 and the Pro? The regular 12 and then the Pro is the same thing. It's
This is the
bigger,
same
hon.
size.
Yeah, but it's bigger compared to what you have now.
No, it's the same size screen as what I have.
Hala, I wish you went over on the other side. You cannot go here. So that's it, guys. It's sad Tommy want a phone and his phone is kind of I'm worried about his phone because one day I will be calling him and I cannot contact him.
That'll just be what it is. But I won't be able to contact anybody either because I shut off phones at that house. So
But we need to eat lunch.
well, I just said that if you wanted to go sit there and eat, you said no.
No, I don't want to go out and eat. You know, it's
We're already out. So where do you want to get food? Or you want to eat in the car and vlog from the...
Are we going home? Papunta sana kami sa Burlington. It's in the other side of the bridge. You know, because I'm into the shopping of house shopping. He said he ordered a lot in Amazon. And crazy, I don't even know what he did.
all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. Maybe stuff coming in for a month.
What is the heck is that? Hala, you ordered something, Han?
Lots of stuff.
No, you ordered some office stuff.
No.
What the heck you ordered, Tommy? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna look in Amazon orders.
You can look at Amazon. That's really, I'm only going to tell you some of it.
Huh?
You can check Amazon. Amazon, I ordered a thermostat.
Why you get thermostat?
Well, I need something to trigger the house because that thermostat won't trigger the house. I ordered it's not really a thermostat. It's just a thermometer that I can trigger the.
Keep going, Tommy.
I can trigger the boiler in the house.
Guys, naghihintay lang si Tommy sa ano. Naghihintay si Tommy ng in-order niya. Nagpa-order ako sa kanya ng buffalo wings and sa kanya pizza. Dito kami sa palagi naming kinukuna ng mga order. Malapit lang. At saka gusto ko buffalo wings. Sabi ko, isda na lang yung niloto ko. Sabi pa niya, ang tigas kasi ng ulo nito. Gusto ng ano. Gusto sana sa Flaming Grill. Natakot ako guys. Kasi yung Flaming Grill is a buffet. Natakot ako, 'di ba? May mga Dutchland, may mga serving spoon and din hawak-hawak ng mga tao, 'di ba? So ang isip ko, humahawak ka ng iba't ibang tao. So sabi ko, kahit mag-take out ka man, 'yun, pagpunta ka doon, hawakan mo yung serving spoon kahit sino lang humahawak-hawak. So 'yun. Sabi ko, wag na. Nakikyutan ako kahit matigas ang ulo nito. Nakukyutan ako. Kahit may edad na itong asawa ko, mahal na mahal. Alam mo kagabi, sabi ko, so my God, 3 o'clock in the morning na nagiinip ako guys. Sabi ko, iniwan ako. Nasaktan ako guys, buong hindi ako nakatulog. 3 o'clock, okay, nagising ako sa panaginip ko. Sabi ko, ang sakit naman ito. Nasaktan talaga ako sa panaginip ko. Kasi yung panaginip ko is kakaiba din. Grabe ka, powerful yung panaginip ko. Is ganito yung nangyari. Nagkalabuan kami ni Tommy. Nakahanap si Tommy ng ibang Pinay. And then kasama namin sa bahay. Parang ako yung ex-wife Pinay. And then dinala niya sa bahay yung live-in. Kasi hindi siya nagpakasal. And then ako yung iniwan. Ako yung original. And then sabi niya hindi na daw niya ako mahal. So dinala niya yung babae sa bahay, live-in niya. So sobrang sakit, hindi ako makaalis. And then iyak ako ng iyak. And then gusto kong maging mag-guilty. Ang panaginip ko ba, sobrang taas. Sabi ko, gusto ko siyang maging mag-guilty. Yung asawa ko, sabi ko, okay na lang. Yung parang pour me ba? Pour me, ganun. So, sobrang sakit guys. Hindi ako nakatulog. Naisip ko, parang yung, after ng panaginip ko, nagising ako, and then yung buong umaga, ang iniisip ko is ang sakit naman pala nito, ganun. Di ba nag-transfer siya sa couch kasi kapag magising yun siya, mag-transfer siya sa couch kasi mag-on siya ng TV at ayaw niya akong magising. So, kasi manonood siya ng news, ganun. So, sabi ko, oh my God, ang sakit nito, iyak ako ng iyak guys, parang ang luha talaga ako guys, kahit hindi na ako natulog. Ang ginawa ko, takbo ako sa living room. Doon ako, inambakan ko si Tami, hinag ko guys, sabi ko, oh my God, wag mo akong iwan. Wag mo akong ipagpalit sa ibang Pinay. Grabe talaga, sabi pa, ito talaga, ako pa yung may kasalanan dahil sa mga panaginip mo yan. Ang sakit talaga guys. Dinala niya yung live-in sa bahay at ako yung original. At ako yung hindi na daw niya mahal. Sabi ko sa kanya, please. Sabi niya, hindi yan mangyayari. Kasi sabi ko, iyak ako ng iyak. Sabi pa niya, hindi yan mangyayari. Anyway, so yun yung mga kagdramahan this morning. Sa isip ko ba, hindi ko man iniisip bago ako natulog. Kasi sabi pa nila, yung panaginip mo daw, yun yung mga panaginipon mo, kung ano yun yung iniisip mo. Palagi. That day, at saka yung patulog na kami, hindi naman kasi nanonood kami ng news, usapan lang namin about news, pero ganyan yung nangyari guys. Baka takot lang talaga akong iwan ako. Kakaiba din itong utak ko at saka kakaiba din itong panaginip ko.
They sent me an alert saying that an iPhone signed in from near Michigan. So then I told them to kill it.
No, Michigan sometimes
I know, but it could be, which doesn't make sense. Michigan's not anywhere close.
Yeah.
Or it could be that somebody stole information from your phone and used it on the.
Yeah. Anyway guys, this is what he ordered. There's something pizza box here, and there is something here that I don't freaking know. It's so hot. It's killing my legs, and I'm sure this one is chicken. This one I don't know.
Sausage parm.
Oh, his favorite.
That's a calzone. He said he'd make a real calzone, but not a real calzone. Stromboli. He said he'd make a real stromboli, but I
You like stromboli?
Yeah, but I just don't take it out of it.
What do you think of my dream?
I think you've had those dreams for 12 years already.
Hannah, I can't even go back.
You always get mad at me because of the dream. I say, oh, you're gonna leave me. I know it. You're gonna leave me. You found somebody else. I say, I know it. Who you with? Where were you? What are you doing? I know it's true. I dreamt it. I'm psychic. Psycho.
Psycho. I'm a psycho.
Psycho.
It's not a psychology. I'm just a psycho itself.
Just a psycho.
Hello, hon. This is freaking hot. Okay, Tommy ordered 2 things because he likes it. I like it. Sometimes when he ordered one, he just let me eat it. It's like, okay, it's for you. But no, he needs to eat.
They offer you. Sure.
Alam nyo, before, when I got here in the US, I'm always looking for rice, my dried fish, my soupy bulang lang.
Soupy bulang lang?
Paglang-lang. Bulang lang. Why are you shaking your head?
Soupy baklang lang? I don't know, I guess that's why.
Getting colder now. So yeah, I know. It's cold now, honey.
How big do they get?
Just like that.
What?
Just like that. Spicy. You know what? I'm going to the garage. Oh, we have to bring the thing.
Yes.
No. We have to bring... We'll try, okay? Let's try.
Nah, be tight.
Let's try. I'll wait for you.
It won't get up the stairs. It won't.
Kunin lang namin yung guys. Yung dala ni Tami na chair. Kasi kahit matanda na yung upuan na yun guys, gusto ko talaga siya, as in no joke. Bilhan ko lang siya ng cover, sold na. Hindi naman ako talaga. Pero gusto ko talaga siya. Old, maganda, sarap upuan. Yun. So, kukunin lang namin. There is the couch. We Tommy have to put eating in the back. Yeah, this is the best couch, guys. You guys have this for a long time, right, Han? So, I just need to buy a cover for this. It's like this, like a stretchable couch. But I have to look this kind, this shape na chair. I'll probably get like a gray color, not like this. Well, that's the problem too.
Well, we know that problem with Trump.
The Trump never really see anything. Like, this is my plan.
No,
Nothing.
because 4 years ago, Trump said he's going to bring out a replacement plan. But with the Democrats beating hell out of him constantly, he never got it done so.
Who's there?
Little boy.
They don't show you their plan to
I'm gonna
actually
vacuum this and
provide
use the
people
shit out.
protection.
The other one. Yes, boy, we have a new thing.
Instead of just messing up that they don't want people that have
Look.
insurance.
Maganda kasi yan, guys. As in, gustong-gusto ko kasi yan. Dalawa ito. So, it's a twinning. Hello, guys. So, ngayon, guys, ang mata ko ay ang itim ng mata ko dahil sa nilagay ko na sa waterline ko. Nag-smudge siya. But anyway, meron lang akong sasabihin. Yung sinabi ko kahapon na kung na may sasabihin ako, alam nyo, di ba, hindi ko naman tinatago na may alitan yung nasa Pilipinas ngayon, yung magulang ko. Alam nyo, may narinig kasi akong istorya, kaya nasabi ko kahapon na nag-ano ako ng para citizenship kasi para wala ng kasi meron akong narinig na ipatulfo daw nila ako. So yun, ipatulfo daw nila ako. So sabi ko, sige, hintayin ko yung patulfo-tulfo ninyo ha. Kung alam ba ninyo kung paano, sabi ko, hintayin ko yung patulfo ninyo. And yun, so yun. So alam nyo naman si Rocky Tulfo kapag ano, ang madali ang sasabihin agad is ipa-deport. Hindi na, sabi pa ni Tami, hindi daw ako dapat matakot kung ganun. Pero sabi ko, to make sure, kasi hindi natin alam yung mga tao, no? Mga ibang utok, kahit pamilya mo. Yun. So, kaya sabi ko, kailangan ko nang mag-citizen. Sabi ko, para hindi na tayo matakot kung tatakutin tayo. Sabi pa ni Tami, kahit hindi pa daw ako citizen, hindi daw madaling kasi yung record ko is, hindi ako pumunta dito illegal. Yung record ko is clean. So yun. Kaya yun. Pero alam nyo, kahit ganun yung nangyari ngayon, hindi ako nagmayabang ha. Pinadalhan ko pa rin sila. Yung kapatid kong lalaki din, pinadalhan ko para sa bahay niya. Kasi para kailangan matapos na yung bahay niya. Kahit kunti lang yung pera. Pero pinadalhan ko kasi naawa ko. And then, nagpadala din ako para sa mama ko o papa ko. So yun, pinadalhan ko din sila ng pera. Pero may mensahe akong pinadala din. Kasama yung pera. So yan lang yun. Hindi ko nagmamayabang guys. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na ganito talaga yung pamilya na kahit kaugalingon, kahit sarili mong pamilya, takutin ka. Alam nyo naman ang laki ng Tulfo, di ba, nakakahiya. Sabi ko, sige, magpahiyaan na lang tayo nito. Pero yun, hindi ako nakatiis na awa. Hala, sorry Han, because I start talking Han. So yun, ipatulfo nila ako. So sabi ko, hintayin ko na lang. So kakain lang kami. Kami is hungry guys. He told me, let's eat.
How long for your food?
Which food?
Your food.
Oh, that one? Oh god, let's take the eyeliner. Yung pinakaano kapag may mascara and eyeliner, you have to take it out properly. Anyway guys, alam niyo guys, yung kapatid kong lalaki, tinulungan ko, naawa naman ako eh. Yun, alam niyo, lalaki sila yung maghanap buhay. And then, yun, pagod na pagod sila sa buhay. Ito yung gamit ko guys. Dalawa actually yung ginagamit ko lately. Cetaphil and then Neutrogena. Ito yung makeup remover, cleanser, foaming, whatever. Ito siya is mild, non-irritating formula. Magbubula-bula ito mukha natin. Ito oh. Maganda kasi ito siya. Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. Ito siya. And then, ito next gamitin natin. Pagka umaga kasi maganda talaga yung mukha, guys. Pag umaga, nagagandahan ako sa ano ng mukha ko dahil, you know, dahil sa in-apply ko. Yun, konti dito sa ito. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Yun. And yun. Tangtangin ko lang tong ano ko. Dami ko ng ano. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. And yun yung vlog natin today. And then yeah, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Andun si Tami sa labas. Bye. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.